Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So right now I'm going to rescue my dog Boyong because I heard that he was taken by the people who work in the government.
And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do.
Since we have new policy now that they see some dogs in the highway, they will take it. Because the main reason why there are lots of accidents happen in the road is because mostly of the dogs. So this is their new policy now. Since Boyong went to the highway to visit some girl, you know. So that is why he was taken by the people who work in the dog place. So I'm going there right now. So we will see if I can get Boyong back. So I hope I can get him, or if I need to pay so that I can bring him home. So I hope so. So we will see. So guys, I didn't know where is exactly the place, but someone told me the exact location. They just only give me some sketch. Yep. So this is the sketch that they gave me. They said and across the cockfight area, which is over there, cockfight area. That is why lots of people, because today is cockfight day. They said that across that there is corner, so I need to go here and I will ask where is exactly the place where they take Boyong. So we will go. So I will ask this girl walking, so if he knows. Day, pwede mo tana? Asa na dapita ka ng dalhan nila ang mga iro? Asa daw diri buyahan? Wala ka kabalo?
Wa.
Di ka taga diri?
Dili naman pero ko kabaw.
Ay, mga tana ko niya.
Makari sila ha.
Sir, kanang pwede kong utana? Asa dapita ka ng dalhan nila sa mga iro? Oh, buyahan daw diri kaputatan.
Nasuy lang kapitan. Milda.
Asa ilang balay?
Nasa kuan. Sagkan mo. Ang trabaho sa isan, isan diri David.
Ah.
Gusto lang ka atong pamuman atong kan para tultul makabiyahan.
Oh, buyahan na daw na ang gikuha na sa iro.
Oh.
Wala ka di ka taga diri?
Diri niya.
Pero ka kibaw.
Wow, kibaw sa asa David butang.
Oh.
Ya, punta na lang kapitan ito.
Ah, sige mo, saway ko gari.
Oh.
Daplin na nakarsada ilang balay.
Doon gamay, kabayran naman. Ang dahil mga kuan kabiyahan, ato lang magana si.
Ah, sige, sige.
Bantay na bago.
So the girl and the guy didn't know where is the place. So we will ask more people here from here. I will ask it in Bisaya, guys. Day, taga diri ka? Kanang kabalo ka sa dapit kanang dalhan nila sa mga iro?
Sa mayo.
O kanang mga iro nga ilang mga gipang dakop ba?
Kaya kanang ipagpadakot sa mayo.
Oh,
Kaya to unahan na itong kuan ay. Ina to apang na dia biyahan apang.
layo pa? Dol na lang.
Naman dihang sa lodo nagtrabaho ay.
Dala
Ato
da
lang
dapit.
apang, uno. Kailan lang apang dia kanang nagtrabaho.
Apang? Awa ko
Wala
lang
na
nun.
katiman.
Ah, sige, salamat kay ha.
Timan sa kanang mga ipagdakot.
Ah, sige, salamat. So, she told me I will just look for the name Apang. So, this is the first time in a long time, guys, that I came here. Because I think I came here one time in my life when I was young. So I'm still new here. So I didn't know where I will go. But we will look for that apang. There is some old guy here. I will ask. Tay! Asa na ilang apang, tay? Apang. Apang ba? Asa ilang apang? Autopas layo? Oh. Alayo pa kay stanan? And sige, salamat. Okay. So I asked that couples where is Apang's house. They said you need to go farther. OMG guys. I feel nervous. So as you can see, the weather is not good, but it's good for me because it's not hot. Look at her guys, lots of caravan. As you can see the view, this is the beauty in the province. Oh my gosh, the road is going down. I need to careful here. Tabi buyag. So the road is under construction. We're doing the road. Yeah, look at that. Day, asay lang apang, day. Asa kung ngadaan ka nang nanigawas?
Oo, kung nanigawas.
Ay, sige. Nadi ang katong mga iro ang gitandakot.
Medyo ay babaw.
Sige. Sige, salamat. Woo. I still need to go farther, guys. So we're going there right now, guys. Where the area, the area where they put the dogs. Yeah, as you can see, the motorcycle in front of us. That's the guy that look after the dogs. So I'm just following them with his son. Look at the views here, guys. So relaxing. So tired. It's very far. So that's the area where they put the dogs. So this is the guy over here who is taking care of them. So my shoes is very muddy, guys. My friend messaged me. My friend Robina, she's my relative as well. Her dog was taken also, and she messaged me. This is the place, guys. Opa diha? Puti. Di. Mo na tanan lang nakuha ato ra ay. Boyong, look at boyong, guys. It's over there. Yung lang, ali lang. Kinatumian sa boyahan. Pangutana lang dre, gabot nimo sa boyahan. Boyong is crying, guys. Da, lag pa more.
Ano dagi siya de?
Naghilak ang boyong din. Ay, dagang naghilak din iro. Ah. Ari na lang, Bin. Kaya napa may diris iruanan, Bin. So, this is here. This is the situation here. As you can see, boyong is crying. Da! Laag po more. Ari na lang kapuyo, ha? Ha? Ari na lang ka stay, ha? So look at lots of dog here. I think they're sick. There's others dog here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, all in all. Look at that. Hi guys, I'm here at the place where I will pay for boyong so I can get him back. So this is their service to take dogs. I'm gonna show you close. So this is their service dog pound. Yeah. So I will ride her later to go to the place where I will get boyong back. See you. Puti. Yong! Hello? Ali na! Ali! Ali! Uli na tatali! Oh. Ali! Na! Let's go! Mla dali! Go! Malili! Ali!
Release na bitaw ko.
Ali! Ali ba? Come here! Ali ba? Ali! Tara, tara, tara! So, boyong is home, guys. So, I paid 500 pesos for his billing to get out. Huh? Are you happy, boyong, that you're home? He's very happy together with the other dogs. These are all my dogs here. Disco is there. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. See you again soon. Bye!